So what are the four types of affiliate marketing commissions or sales that you're gonna get if you're gonna go into affiliate marketing? Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Beretta here from millerberetta.com, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. On this channel, I show you how to make money online, and I show you how to make passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also, you can check out my #1 recommendation down in the description. Alright, so what are the four types of sales or commissions that you're gonna get if you're going to do affiliate marketing? So for those who don't know affiliate marketing, basically it's selling other people's products. So as an affiliate, you have access to that product to sell, and then when you make a sale, you earn a certain percentage of commissions. What I like about affiliate marketing is that the commissions, you can get paid out as high as 50%, and at least you don't have to create your own product. You just learn how to promote or market those products, right? And the product creator itself will do all the sales page, all the customer service for you. You just have to promote the product, right? So that's what I like about affiliate marketing, right? So what are the four types of affiliate marketing sales or commissions that you're going to get? So we're going to go back to my Paint here. So I already put here the first two, right? So the first one is called small commissions or tripwire, meaning you offer them a certain product at a small sales point so that they will actually get into, because at least you will have a higher percentage of conversion because the entry point is very low, right? So but here's the thing, guys. I would suggest that if you are going to sell those types of products, you have to check, right, if they have sales funnel, right? So they have sales funnel that has upsells, right? So that what that means is after the first sale, they will be presented with another opportunity to purchase another product, right? It's either the price point is $47, $67, $97. So it's either like a pro version of the software, or much better, much more advanced training, coaching, right? Or and other types of upsells, right? And then after they made a sale, they will be presented with another upsell that is a much higher price, like $197, which has a much better value, like a coaching product, like a done for you funnels, let's say an access to another high-end product, right? So, and then maybe another upsell to a much higher ticket product, like a whole other course, right? What I like about this setup is that through one customer that you're gonna get, you can earn as high as $400 to $500 instead of just $5 of $10, because if you get paid, if the affiliate offer you a 50% commission, that $10 is like $5, right? So if you want to make $200 in a single week, how many sales that you need in order for you to get $100 or $200? That's like 10, 20, 40, right? 40 more sales a week in order to get to 100. But with a sales funnel built in for you, you will already have you can make 500 to 400 in just one customer, right? So that's one sales funnel, right? Another one is recurring commissions. Recurring commission meaning that you're gonna get paid on a monthly basis, meaning this is probably an access to a service, right? Like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Builderall, right? Or training programs like My Lead System Pro, my Elite Marketing Pro, right? Or Attraction Marketing Pro, right? So you pay on a monthly basis based on the value that you get, like services again, or access to a software or coaching program, right? So what I like about that is that you get paid on a monthly commission, right? So you don't have to get another customer for that. The only downside on that one is that based on the statistics on the industry on recurring commissions, sometimes people just stay in for 4 months, meaning in 4 months they get burned out and they ended up, or they stop paying for the membership or for the monthly fee, right? So if you decide to get into a program that pays monthly commissions, you have to get in a lot of people, because you need to replace people who are burning out on the third or fourth month, right? So, and the another thing you need to do that is you need to give them support, right? So you have to spend time with your members to help them out, right? Because if you don't give them support, they will end up not paying for the membership and they will just burn out, right? So if you, and you know, people do make a lot of money on this one, but you do have to work more on that one, right? So after we're done with this one, now we're gonna go with the one-time commission, right? So meaning you are just getting paid on one single sale, right? So so that will be like $20, right? Or 30, 40, 50, 100, 200, right? So that is good, right? If you just get paid out on one commission, but this time the one commission, sometimes they are higher price value for a product, right? So like example, I'm selling one course that is a Facebook engagement course, and the product is like $100 or $97. So 50% of that is 48 something dollars. So at least, right, at least one sale is $50, so that's already huge. So if you want to make $100 a day for that sale, you need to make 2 sales for $50 on every single day. So at least you will make $100 a day on that one. The problem with this one is that it's because you need to find customers, you need to generate leads on a daily basis if you want to make a certain amount every single day, right? But sometimes it's not realistic. You do need to work a lot. Sometimes you won't get a sale on a single day because of just one-time commission, right? So this is it, guys. So one-time commission. The fourth type, and this is the one type of commission that I get into, is the high ticket sales, right? What I like about high ticket sales is that sometimes you will get a commission, or you say it's in price of $1,000, right? 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. So imagine this: if you are selling this type of products, right? If you want to make at least $2,000 a month with a high ticket sales, like say if you're just selling $1,000 product, right? If you want to make $2,000 a month, so that is already a full-time income from home for most people. You only need to make, right? So if you get 50% commission, 100, so you will get 500 commissions times 4. That is already $2,000, right? And if you're selling like a $2,000 product, right? 2,000. If you want to make $2,000 a month, you only need 2 sales to make $2,000 product. So you get what I mean? So if you want to make a full-time income from home, and you want to make like a or more than what you're currently making, like you want to reach the 6 figures, people, you need to learn how you need to get into the high ticket sales, right? Get the T here. Let's put a T there. So based on the commission here, guys, so we have the small commission tripwire, the recurring commissions, the one-time commissions, or the high ticket sales. Which of the program here that you are interested to get into? And if you want to learn how to build a business on a high ticket level, that will be my number 1 recommendation down in the description. Make sure to check that out. And it's the business model that I chose for myself, and it definitely changed my life, because guys, if just one sale a month, that's $1,000, and it's really really easy, guys. If you know what you're doing, and if you get help on your marketing and stuff, you just making one sale with a high ticket item, it makes a huge difference comparing to just the small types of commissions. And this is what I'm thinking, guys. Maybe this is what most amateurs out there, or if you are, not making a lot of money on from home by doing affiliate marketing, because maybe you're going after just the one-time commission here, or just the recurring commissions with small commissions out payout, but then you get 4 months of burning, and people quit on you, and then maybe the small commissions without the sales funnel. So sometimes, guys, that's why most people are broke or are not having a lot of success with affiliate marketing, because of the type of sales that they are focusing on, right? So that's why for me, I like the idea of a high ticket sale, because it just gives me less effort to make a certain amount of money, right? And to tell you guys, you say that high ticket sales are very expensive for most people. That could be true, but then if you are in a first world country, you do have access to credit, right? So sometimes people take on debt on credit just to get into this type of program, but then they ended up making more because of the commissions that they are getting. So if you are, if you're thinking of, if I want to make $1,000 a month, like for example, if you're going for the $97 one-time commission, if you want to make $2,000 a month, that you will need probably 100 sales, right? So let's go to my calculator here. Let's go. So you'll see the actual program, right? So if you need a 2,000 divided by $50 commission, you need 40 sales a month in order to reach a $2,000 commission. But then if you want to make $2,000 a month in recurring commission, so let's go for let's say the $100, right? So if you get the $100, smaller one, $100, let's say for $100, so you get maybe 50% commission on that one. So again, you need to get 2,000 divided by 40, meaning you need to enroll or recruit 40 members every single month in order to get that $2,000 a month recurring commission, right? But then I told you that this type of business model, because of the recurring commission, sometimes people are burned out for or even 6 months, right? So that's my suggestion to you guys. If you want to make a better income through affiliate marketing, I highly suggest you check out the high ticket sales program that I really recommend. And again, that will be my #1 recommendation in making a full-time income from home. That is on the description, so make sure to check that out. All right, guys, so I really hope you got value from this video, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below, because I always answer comments. And if you get value from this video, give this video a thumbs up. If not, give this video a thumbs down. All right, guys, so this is it. Thank you for watching my video. I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.